Hi, I am Magdi. Welcome to my kitchen. Top mushroom today, and I make it like differently. I got the idea from one of my friends, and I put cream cheese like with the different seasonings, and then I just put 1 spoon of cream cheese, and then I will bread it later when before dinner until this will stay here. But it's a very good idea and it's delicious. I am making basmati rice to it, and I will show you when I am finished. Of course, I washed it and dried the mushrooms so you can see the stuffing in it, and then I will bread it a little bit later before dinner. To tell you to make sure you add seasoning, little salt or your favorite seasoning. I use the French fry seasoning this time, and just make sure not to salt the mushroom before because it gets soggy inside then. I am getting ready to bread the mushrooms, so I add 4 tablespoons or heap tablespoon of breadcrumbs and 2 tablespoons of flour. I don't want to do it separately right now. I just mix it together and let's see how that works out. Sorry, I had the phone call between. So I had, this is the fifth one. I don't want to mix too much because I don't like to waste my breadcrumbs. Let's put it that way. So I add salt to my eggs, whip it a little bit, and maybe I will change this. And how I do it right now, I pick this because it's like a double one and it's easier to manage this way. So, okay, let me take it out, put it in, and roll it a little bit, and I can do this one. And this way stick to it. I hope you can see it because I am filming myself, so I cannot run here and there all the time. And I will do it one more time. And then I will fry it. Start to leave it together. Okay. I won't show you the whole thing because video time and you don't want to watch everything. But this is the way I like to do it. And mix. This is the first time I make this double one, so I will let you know how this turned out. This is the last one. You see, I just use the spoon this way. I don't even have to touch on eggs. Okay. And now I will repeat. Okay. 1 spoon. And I can turn it around on the side too. Looks good. Okay. Your oil supposed to be like medium, not too hot. Don't want to burn. That's how the stuffed mushroom turned out. And I have to taste it and let you know what's going on. I will taste it and let you know. But I think it's turned out really nice. Sorry I didn't have parsley, so I just put it for the picture for you guys. So I add up like I have to make soup because my husband loves soup, so I made broccoli and cheese soup.